Hello friends, welcome to Exams Daily YouTube channel. In this video, we are going to discuss about today's current affairs. Before that, if you are new to this channel, please subscribe to our channel and click the bell icon for your immediate notification. Ek Sankalp Buzurgo Ke Naam campaign launched in which state? And options A. Gujarat, B. Punjab, C. Madhya Pradesh, D. Rajasthan. And the answer is Madhya Pradesh is the right answer, and the meaning of Ek Sankalp Buzurgo Ke Naam is a commitment for elders. The Chhattisgarh police has been running a campaign Ek Sankalp Buzurgo Ke Naam, that is a commitment for elders, is proving to be helpful for the elder person and helpless people living alone in homes during this corona pandemic. And the purpose of this campaign is taking care of the elder people from the food to their health. The next question, which of the following bank launches Green Deposit Program? And the options are A. HSBC India, B. HDFC Bank, C. Axis Bank, D. SBM India. And the answer is HSBC India is the right answer for this question. This bank launches Green Deposit Program. And on Thursday, HSBC launches this Green Deposit Program for corporate clients. And the bank will finance green initiatives such as renewable energy, clean transportation, pollution prevention and control, green building, sustainable water and wastewater management. And it was established, launched by Hijendra Dev. He is the Head Global Banking and Markets of HSBC India. Next question, name the tribal minister of India who launched the Territory Processing Centers of the Tri-Food Project in Maharashtra's Raigad and Chhattisgarh's Jabalpur. Options Arjun Munda, Harsimrat Kaur Badal, Harshvardhan and Mahendra Nath Pandey. And the answer is Arjun Munda is the right answer, and Arjun Munda has launched a Tri-Food project in Raigad and Jabalpur, and under this project 2 minor forest produce processing units will be set up, and one unit at Raigad and 1 unit at Jabalpur, and it will used for the valuable addition to traditional tribal drink mawa, amla, custard apple and jamun. And the multi-community processing at Jabalpur and Chhattisgarh, and it will be used for the processing of maca, amla, honey, cashew nut and tamarind, ginger, garlic and other fruits and vegetables. Next question, which state will be the first one in India to offer government jobs based on the CET score? And the CET means Common Eligibility Test. Option Telangana, Madhya Pradesh, Delhi and Maharashtra, and the answer is Madhya Pradesh is the right answer for this question, and the exam will be conducted by NRA. NRA, it means National Recruitment Agency. It's like SSC, RRB and IBPS, and last Wednesday, our Union Cabinet approved this creation of NRA to conduct online common eligibility test for selecting candidates for majority of central government jobs. Next question, which of the following firm will be the official sponsor of the Indian team for the rescheduled Tokyo Olympics? A. Tata Group, B. Hinduja Group, C. Aditya Birla Group, D. Inox Group. And the answer is Inox Group is the right answer, and the Tokyo Olympics was rescheduled to next year due to this corona pandemic, and the Indian Olympic Association, that is IOA, announced Inox Group will be the official sponsor of the Indian team, and the Inox company is having a chain of multiplexes in the country, and the director of Inox is Siddharth Mehta. Siddharth Mehta is the director of Inox, and Indian Olympic Association Secretary General is Rajiv Mehta is the IOA, Indian Olympic Association Secretary General, and Siddharth Jain. Siddharth Jain is the director of Inox Group. And the next question is Aswani Bhatia becomes new managing director of which bank? Aswani Bhatia becomes new managing director of which bank? And Canara Bank, SBI, UCO Bank, Syndicate Bank. And the answer is SBI Bank is the right answer for this question. And recently the central government on Friday has appointed Aswani Bhatia as the managing director of the SBI. At present, Bhatia is working as the deputy managing director in SBI. And previous MD is P.K. Gupta. P.K. Gupta is the previous managing director in SBI Bank. Next question. Who launched Food Safety and Standards Authority of India, FSSAI, Eat Right India handbook recently? R.S. Prasad, Harshvardhan, Nirmala Sitharaman, Piyush Goyal. And the right answer is Harshvardhan is the right answer, and he is the Union Minister of Health and Family Welfare. Has launched FFI's Eat Right India handbook in orientation program organized by FSSAI. And last year in the day of World Food Day, the same minister launched Eat Right movement by this Harshvardhan, the Union Minister of Health and Family Welfare. The next question. Which of the following bank launched the new initiative GIG-A opportunities? Option A, Kotak Mahindra Bank, B, LVB, C, HDFC Bank, D, Axis Bank. And the answer is Axis Bank is the right answer, and the aim of this initiative is to attract skilled talent people then can work with the bank remotely from anywhere in the country. This model comprises two working model. One is full-time job, and second one is temporary. The temporary means is based on the project duration, and it was launched by managing director and CEO of this Axis Bank, Amitabh Chaudhary. The next question. Name of the Indian wrestler who will be conferred the Rajiv Gandhi Khel Ratna Award for year 2020. Megha Reddy, Sakshi Malik, Alka Tomar and Vinesh Bhogat. And the answer is Vinesh Bhogat is the right answer. Recently the Union Sports Ministry selected the wrestler Vinesh Bhogat for the Rajiv Gandhi Khel Ratna for this year 2020. And she is the only woman wrestler who has qualified for Tokyo Olympic. The next year Tokyo Olympic will be conducted, and she is the only woman wrestler who has qualified for the Tokyo Olympics. And Vinesh has bagged gold medal in Asian and Commonwealth Games. Asian 2018 and Commonwealth Game 2018. He bagged gold medals in that two tournaments. And with this Vinesh Bhogat, other four members are selected for this Rajiv Gandhi Khel Ratna Award. And the first person Rohit Sharma from cricket. Second person Manika Batra from table tennis. Mariappan from high jumper. And Rani Rampal from hockey. The next question. The Uttar Pradesh government has signed Memorandum of Understanding with which country for water resource management in Bundelkhand? Options: Botswana, Israel, Switzerland, Estonia. The answer is Israel is the right answer for this question. And recently the Uttar Pradesh government has signed a MOU with Israel for improving water management. In the Bundelkhand. And this it was signed by Israeli ambassador Rion Malka and state government agriculture protection commissioner Alok Singha. Under this project, the water harvesting work will be done in the area to improve agriculture measures and integrated drip irrigation. Next question. International Day for the Remembrance of the Slave Trade and its Abolition is observed on which date? April 14 or June 20 or August 23 or August 31? The answer is August 23 is the right answer, and this day was designated by UNESCO to memorize the transatlantic slave trade. And why this day is celebrated means the day is intended to inscribe the strategy of the slave trade in the memory of all peoples in accordance with the goals of the intercultural project. It was first celebrated in the member of countries, particularly in Haiti in 1998, and Jori in Senegal in 1999. So the International Day for the Remembrance of the Slave Trade and its abolition is observed on August 23. Name the Indian golf player who will be conferred the Arjuna Award for year 2020. And the options are Ridhima Dilavari, Sharmila Nicole, Sumiti Meghra, Aditi Ashok. The answer is Aditi Ashok is the right answer, and she is a golf player, and she won 3 times on the Ladies European Tour. Including Aditi, there are 27 other persons selected for Arjuna Awards. And to recognize outstanding achievement in national sports, the award carries cash prize of 15 lakhs. It was increased from 5 lakhs to 15 lakhs this year with one Arjuna, statue of Arjuna. The next question, which Indian company enters into top 100 on Fortune Global 500 list? State Bank of India, Oil and Natural Gas Corporation, Reliance Industries, Indian Oil Corporation. And the answer is Reliance Industries is the right answer. Reliance Industries is topped in the 100 list of Fortune Global 500 list. And this is the highest Indian company in the Fortune Global list. In 2012, had broken into top 100, this Reliance Industries, and slipped in subsequent years. In 2016, slipped into 215th rank. And this is this list topped by Walmart this year. And this Fortune Global 500 is it's a magazine yearly list of 500 of the greatest company of US company, released every year all over the world Next question, name the person who authored the book titled One Arranged Murder. Options A. Chetan Bhagat, B. Arundhati Roy, C. Amitav Ghosh, D. Vikram Seth. And the answer is Chetan Bhagat is the right answer, and it will be the 9th novel. That is, the One Arranged Murder will be the 9th novel and 11th book. And his previous book was The Girl in Room 105. Next question, name the university which will be conferred the Maulana Abdul Kalam Azad Trophy 2020. Punjab University Chandigarh, Jodhpur University Kolkata, Jawaharlal Nehru University New Delhi, Anna University Chennai. The right answer is Punjab University Chandigarh is the right answer, and this university has won the Maulana Azad Trophy for the second consecutive time. And why this trophy is given, which has all-round performance in sports at inter-university, national, international competitors. In which state the Sardar Sarovar Dam has been constructed on Narmada River? Tamil Nadu, Madhya Pradesh, Gujarat, Uttar Pradesh. And the answer is Gujarat is the right answer, and it is located in Kevadiyar near Navagam district. And 30 dams are there in the Narmada River, and 4 Indian states, that is Gujarat, Madhya Pradesh, Maharashtra, Rajasthan, receives water and electricity from this dam. The total installed capacity of the power facilities is 1450 megawatts. 1450 megawatts power station is installed in this dam. The next question, where is the headquarters of New Development Bank situated? Options, New Delhi, India, Beijing, China, Moscow, Russia, and Shanghai, China. And the answer is Shanghai, China is the right answer, and this bank is formally referred as BRICS Development Bank. BRICS Development Bank. That is, BRIC means Brazil, R means Russia, I means India, C means China, S means South Africa. And the regional office located at Johannesburg, South Africa. South Africa. And the current president of this NDB bank is Marcos Trojo. And it was this NDB bank is established in 15th July 2014 in Brazil. Next question. City of Ahmedabad is situated on the banks of river. And A. Mahi, B. Narmada, C. Godavari, D. Sabarmati. And the answer is Sabarmati river is the right answer. And the city of Ahmedabad is situated on the banks of Sabarmati river. And the Ahmedabad is located on the of Sabarmati river and river 20 km from the Gandhinagar. Gandhinagar. Yeah. Gandhinagar and Ahmedabad is a twin city of Gujarat. Twin cities of Gujarat. And from 1960 to 1970, it was the capital of Gujarat. Ahmedabad was the capital of Gujarat during this period, 1962 and 1970. Later, it was changed to Gandhinagar. So the answer for the question is, city of Ahmedabad is situated on the banks of Sabarmati river. And the next question, Manas National Park is located at which state? Bihar, Assam, Sikkim, West Bengal. And the answer is Assam is the right answer, and it is located at the base of foothill of the Bhutan Himalayas. Is a state of Assam, and Manas is the famous for the wild water buffalo. Wild water buffalo is famous for this animal, and the total area of this park is 950 kilometers square, and it was formed on 990. This park is formed on Manas National Park is formed on 1990. And the last question, Ottawa is the capital city of which country? Option A, Australia, B, Mexico, C, Canada, D, Spain. And the answer is Canada is the right answer for this question, and Ottawa is the capital city of Canada. And the Australia capital is Canberra, and Mexico is capital is Mexico City. And Spain capital is Madrid. And questions for you. Who got first Rajiv Gandhi Khel Ratna Award? Who got first Rajiv Gandhi Khel Ratna Award? Options A. Geet Sethi, B. Viswanath Anand, C. Salim Surani, D. Andhra Pradesh. And put your answers in comment section. And this is question for you, and please answer. And if you like this video, please like, comment and share. If you are new to this channel, please subscribe to our channel. And will you